Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to turn off suggestions in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to type docs here and then you will open up this first link, then go to docs from here, and then basically from here you need to click on this blank page. And first here I will write something that have mistakes. So like I will enter like we are doing. Okay, so now if I basically, as you can see that if I just tap on it, it is showing me these words, that these words are not right, this word is right. Okay, so if you want to turn this off, you will go into this tools, then here we have spelling and grammar, show spelling, suggestions, turn it off and turn this off, and now you can see we don't have those correct words showing us here again. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.